लीनियर इक्वेशन का ऊपर डिस्कशन करेंगे। लीनियर इक्वेशन मींस लीनियर का मतलब है लाइन से ये जनरेट हुआ है, तो डेफिनेटली इट इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ ए लाइन। ये लाइन का ही इक्वेशन है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज लीनियर इक्वेशन। एंड हियर द डिग्री of the variable must be 1. Suppose here linear equation means it is the equation of line, equation of a line, और यहां पर वेरिएबल का जो वेरिएबल हैविंग डिग्री 1, तो ये लीनियर इक्वेशन कहलाएगा। तो इसका जो जनरल फॉर्म है, दिस इज व्हाट ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Here a, b, c are called constant quantity, but remember a and b both are not equal to 0. अगर दोनों 0 हो गया तो ये लीनियर इक्वेशन नहीं होगा। सपोज हियर 3x plus 2y plus 5 this is equal to 0. This is a linear equation. But if you are taking in place of 3, ये है ये तुम्हारा, this 2 is taken as what, ये तुम्हारा b, and this 5 is your what, c. And when you are taking this as 0 and this as 0 means only you are getting what? अगर इसको 0 और इसको 0 ले गए तो क्या हो जाएगा? 0 into x this will be 0, 0 into y this is going to be 0, plus 5 that is equal to 0, which is not possible. तो ये impossible condition है। तो इसलिए लीनियर इक्वेशन में तुम्हारा जनरल फॉर्म क्या रहेगा? ax plus by plus c equal to 0 इस फॉर्म में रहेगा, और कंडीशन ये होना चाहिए a b दोनों 0 नहीं होंगे। आइदर a 0 हो रहा है और b 0 हो रहा है तो पॉसिबल है लीनियर इक्वेशन, बट दोनों अगर 0 हो गया दिस इज नॉट कॉल्ड ए लीनियर इक्वेशन। क्लियर नाउ? देन लीनियर इक्वेशन ऑफ वन वेरिएबल का जब लीनियर इक्वेशन निकालेंगे, सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल 2x plus 4 equal to 0, ये एक ही वेरिएबल है x। सपोज हियर 3y minus 9 equal to 0, तो वन वेरिएबल का जो लीनियर इक्वेशन रहेगा ये हमेशा क्या रिप्रेजेंट करेगा? पॉइंट, एक पॉइंट को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा। 2x plus 4 equal to 0, this gives you x equal to what? -2, और यहां पे y का वैल्यू तुम्हारा आएगा कितना? 3। तो ये जो तुम्हारा x एक्सिस और ये तुम्हारा y एक्सिस है, x equal to -2 means the value of x is -2, so here it is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is -1, this is -2. So x equal to -2 means this is the point where you are getting x equal to -2. y equal to 3 means this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So this is the point where y equal to 3. तो जब भी लीनियर इक्वेशन वन वेरिएबल का रहेगा उसमें वो क्या रिप्रेजेंट करेगा तुम्हारा? That is going to represent your point. And when you are getting two variable, at that time it is going to represent what? This is a straight line, एक straight line को represent करेगा, वो अभी हम डिस्कशन करेंगे। Clear now? What is linear equation? Linear equation means it is the equation of line. ये एक लाइन का इक्वेशन है, और उसका जनरल फॉर्म क्या है? x plus by plus c equal to 0. a b दोनों एट ए टाइम 0 नहीं होगा। आइदर a equal to 0 पॉसिबल है, b equal to 0 that is possible, but when a and b both are going to be 0 it is not possible. Clear? Next we are going to discuss regarding the linear equation of two variable. Suppose here linear equation of two variable, linear equation of two variables. तो यहां दो वेरिएबल रहेगा x and y. Suppose I am going to take two equations here. 2x minus y equal to 3, 4x minus y equal to 5. 2x minus y equal to 3, and 4x minus y, suppose you are going to take it as 5. These are the two equations. So this is your linear equation of two variables. Here x and y, or if you are going to represent like this, you can represent this one 2x minus y minus 3 equal to 0, and here this can be written as 4x minus y minus 5 equal to 0. So here you see a is 2, b is minus 1, c is minus 3. यहाँ पे a 4, b minus 1, c कितना है minus 5. So this is called linear equation of two variables. So इसको solve करने का there are three different methods to solve the linear equation. First one is called as substitution method. Substitution method. So what is substitution method? Suppose we are going to solve this equation. Here you are getting 2x minus y equal, again you write 2x minus y equal to 3. And the second equation is 4x minus y equal to 5. When you are getting 2x minus y equal to 3, from this equation we can write it as 2x equal to y, you take this side, तो कितना हो गया ये y plus 3. Then what is the value of x? From here you are getting x, you are getting y plus 3 divided by 2. Now you put the value of x in this second equation. So here it is 4 into x. X is how much? Y plus 3 by 2 minus y. This is equal to 5. This 2 is cancelled by this one. So what you will find? 2y plus 6 minus y. This will be what? 5. Or you are getting y plus 6, you are getting 5. Then what is the value of y you are getting? Y equal to 5 minus 6. Its value you are getting what? Minus 1. After getting the value of y, you put here x equal to how much? कितना है x का value? Y plus 3 by 2. In place of y you put minus 1 plus 3 divided by 2. So it will be 2 by 2. Its value you are getting how much? 1. तो यहाँ x का value कितना मिला? X is 1 and y is minus 1. So this is called as substitution method. In substitution method, from the first equation, you got the value of x in terms of y. x का value को in terms of y में represent करो, और वो जो x value है, that you are going to substitute in the second equation to get the value of y and x. This is called as substitution method. Second one is called as elimination method. We are going to solve the same equation by elimination method. Next one is your elimination method. What is that? In elimination method, here either you eliminate x or you eliminate y. So in equation 1 you are getting 2x, and in equation 2 you are getting 4x. So when 2 is multiplied, equation 1 into 2, this gives you what? When you are multiplying 2 with the equation 1, so you are getting 4x minus 2y minus 6, this equal to 0. And equation 2 पे 1 multiply करो, so equation 2 into 1, this gives you 4x minus y minus 5 equal to 0. When you are going to solve this one, you put here, this is negative, this one is going to positive, and here it is also positive. 4x and 4x cancel. Minus 2y plus y, its value is minus y. And minus 6 plus 5, its value is minus 1. This equal to 0. Or what you will find? Y equal to minus y, you are getting 1, or y you are getting what? that you are getting -1. After getting the value of y, you put in any equation. कोई भी equation में put करो, y के value -1 मिला. So here 2x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. Or you can say 2x minus y value is -1 minus 3 equal to 0. Or you are getting 2x minus minus plus. So it is 1 minus 3, this is equal to 0. Or 2x minus 2 you are getting 0. Or 2x you are getting 2. The value of x you are getting what? 1. The same value you are getting here. This is called elimination method. Elimination method में either x को eliminate करेंगे. जब x को eliminate करेंगे, x का जो coefficient है दोनों equation का equal करेंगे और वो equate करने के लिए whatever the constant quantity you have to multiply, you just multiply the constant quantity. Then you eliminate x, automatically you will get the value of y. After getting the value of y, you put in the equation, any one equation, and you will get the value of x also. Next is your cross multiplication method. So here in cross multiplication method, how to find out the value? Here the equations are named as, this equation is called as, suppose we are going to write in terms of a, b, c, it is called as a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and the second equation is written as a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. And here what are the values of x and y? X equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. And what is the value of y? Y you are getting, this is c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is the formula to find out or to obtain the value of x and y by cross multiplication method. So here, if you look after these two equations, what is the value of a1? a1 you are getting 2, b1 you are getting -1, c1 you are getting -3, a2 you are getting 4, b2 you will get -1, and c2 is what? -5. This is your a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Now just we have to put the value. Here what is the value of x now? b1 c2. So b1 is -1 into what is the value of c2? This is -5 minus b2, this is your -1 into c1, c1 is -3 divided by a1 b2, a1 is 2 and here b2 is -1 minus a2 b1, that is 4 into what? b1 is -1. So what will be its value? -1 minus 5, this will be 5, and minus -1 minus 3, this is 3 divided by 2 into -1, it will be -2, and here minus this is plus 4. So you are getting 5 minus 3 is 2, and -2 plus 4, then it's 2. 2 and 2 cancel, its value you are getting what? 1. And what is the value of y? Y will be what? Its value is c1 a2. c1 is -3 and a2 is what? That is your 4 minus c2, this is your what? -5 into what? a1, that will be 2 divided by a1 b2, already we know that is 2 into -1 minus 4 into -1. So what will be its value? -3, 4, this will be -12, minus plus, so it is plus 10 divided by 2 into -1, its value is -2, and here it is plus 4. So you are getting -2 divided by 2, its value you will get -1. So these are the three different methods to solve the linear equation. First one is called as substitution method, second one is called as elimination method, and the third one is your what? Cross multiplication method. By these three methods you can solve the linear equation. Then we will discuss regarding its solution. So here, to find out the solution, first the two linear equation is called as consistent. If a1 by a2 is not equal to v1 by v2, and in this condition you will get only unique solution, एक ही solution तुमको मिलेगा, and this is called as consistent. And second, if you will get a1 by a2, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, this is called as infinite solution. And this is also consistent. And here, when it is going to be inconsistent, for inconsistent, a1 by a2 equal to v1 by v2, and this is not equal to c1 by c2. This is the condition for inconsistent, and we will, by taking example, we will discuss this one. And this is called as inconsistent, and here you will find no solution. जैसा उसका अगर यूनिक सॉल्यूशन का एग्जांपल लेते हैं, जैसा पहला जो हम लोगों ने लिए थे, जो केस फर्स्ट केस जो सॉल्व किए थे हम लोगों ने यहाँ इक्वेशन 2x minus y equal to 3 and 4x minus y equal to 5. 2x minus y equal to 3 and 4x minus y equal to 5. और इसको अगर बेटर फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 2x minus y minus 3 equal to 0, and this will be 4x minus y minus 5 equal to 0. Here you see a1 by a2, a1 is what? 2, a2 is what? 4. That is equal to what you are getting, minus 1 by minus 1. So here 2 by 4 you are getting, this is not equal. 2 by 4, this is what? 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 is not equal to 1. So it has what? Unique solution. और इसमें हम लोग को अभी निकाले थे यूनिक सॉल्यूशन में क्या मिला था हम लोग को, उसका वैल्यू 1 and minus 1 हम लोग को मिला था. तो that is your unique solution. अगर यही इक्वेशन तुम्हारा ये कंडीशन होता, सपोज हियर 2x minus y minus 3 and here it is 4x minus 2y minus 6, this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0. Here you will find, here you see 2 by 4 is equal to minus 1 by minus 2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 6. All are same. So this is what? Infinite solution. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा तुम्हारा? Infinite solution. And when you will get for no solution, you can take example 2x minus y, that is equal to, suppose 2x minus y minus 5 equal to 0, or here it is 4x minus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. So what you will find? 2 by 4, here it is minus 1 by minus 2, this is not equal to minus 5 by minus 8. क्योंकि यहाँ देखो a1 by a2, this is 1 by 2, minus minus cancel, this is also 1 by 2, but here it is what? 5 by 8. ये तीनों a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, but it is not equal to c1 by c2. So this is called as, here you will find no solution, and this is called as what? Inconsistent. Consistent का condition क्या है? a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, ये होने से भी consistent होगा, और इस केस में इसका एक ही solution मिलेगा तुमको, that is called as unique solution. और जहां तुमको मिला a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, that is called as what? Infinite solution. You will get infinite number of solution. And where you find a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, that is called as what? Inconsistent. And here you will find no solution. तो ये तुम्हारा any competitive examination में ये this is the basic thing. अगर इतना तुमको पता है, you can solve any type of equation, linear equation, and in our next class we will discuss regarding its problem and its quick methods to solve the problem. So you go through my video and you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel so that it will be helpful for all of you to get more videos, and these videos will help you in your all competitive examination, whether it is railway, banking or any type of competitive examination you are facing. So we hope you all the best. Thank you.